Discover the best websites to make money online with PayPal in 2023. Are you looking for ways to boost your income from the comfort of your home? In today's guide, we're going to reveal some incredible opportunities that allow you to make real money through PayPal. No upfront investment required, and these options are available worldwide. So if you're ready to explore how you can start earning, let's dive in. Welcome back, folks. We understand that some of you may be living in regions where PayPal isn't readily accessible. But don't worry, we've got solutions for you too. Today, we'll explore a range of platforms and methods that offer diverse online tasks to help you earn money. Whether you're new to this or already familiar with the world of online income, there's something here for everyone. Let's begin with a category we like to call passive income websites. Imagine making money effortlessly 24/7. One fantastic platform for this is Honeygain. Honeygain, effortless passive income. With Honeygain, you can monetize your unused internet data. It's as simple as installing their app on your devices and letting it run in the background. Businesses pay for small bits of information collected from the web through Honeygain's proxy network, and you get a share of the profits. Available for Android, macOS, and Windows devices. It's a hassle-free way to earn while you sleep. Honeygain offers a referral program where you can earn a percentage of what your referrals make. It's true passive income at its finest. For those interested in sharing their unused internet data with Honeygain, here's how to get started. First, download the Honeygain app from their official website. Second, create an account with your email address. Third, install the app on your devices and log in. Fourth, let the app run in the background and watch your earnings grow. Next, slice the pie, earning from your opinions. The next passive income website worth exploring is Slice the Pie. Similar to Honeygain, Slice the Pie rewards you for your regular internet activities. It's all about leveraging your online habits to generate income that's paid out through PayPal. To get started with Slice the Pie, first, visit their website and sign up for a free account. Next, start reviewing music, fashion, and other content. Third, earn rewards for your reviews, which can be cashed out via PayPal. Next, we have YSense.com, diverse surveys and tasks. Now, let's dive into paid survey websites. YSense.com is a reliable platform that offers a variety of surveys and tasks. They provide a substantial amount per survey, making it an excellent option to boost your earnings. Here's how to make the most of YSense.com. First, register on their website with your details. Next, browse through available surveys and tasks. Third, complete surveys and tasks that interest you. And lastly, cash out your earnings directly to your PayPal account. SuperpayMe.com. Earn while having fun. SuperpayMe.com is another trustworthy platform that has paid millions to its members. You can participate in surveys, free trial offers, play games, and watch videos, all while earning rewards. The best part? They pay you promptly through PayPal. To maximize your earnings on SuperpayMe.com, sign up for a free account on their website. Next, explore the various earning opportunities. Then complete offers, surveys, and other tasks. Then request a PayPal payout as soon as you reach the minimum payout threshold. Next, we have TGMPanel, high-paying surveys worldwide. TGMPanel is another website where you can participate in paid surveys. It's accessible across multiple continents and offers competitive payouts. While we haven't personally tested this one yet, it promises high rates for completing surveys, making it worth considering. If you're interested in engaging with blogs and websites, SuperpayMe.com is a platform that pays you to click on various online content. You can download their plugin, complete tasks, and watch your earnings grow, all paid via PayPal. Similarly, ClicksArePaid.com offers a simple way to earn by clicking around websites or blogs. You can earn between 5 to 10 cents per click, contributing to your online income. Timebox.com. Get paid for daily activities. Another unique platform, Timebox.com rewards you for everyday online activities. From watching videos to sharing opinions on movies and more, Timebox pays out weekly through PayPal once you've reached the low minimum payout amount of just $10. Now, for those interested in participating in paid research studies, UserInterviews.com connects you with various types of research opportunities and pays generously for your input. It's a trusted platform for user research teams worldwide. RecruitandFeel.com is another option that rewards you for participating in research studies. Your time and insights are valuable, and this platform ensures you're compensated for your contributions. If you prefer completing surveys on your mobile devices, consider PaulPay.app. This paid survey app allows you to earn money by answering surveys on various topics. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or gift cards once you've reached the minimum $5 threshold. OpinionApps.com is another survey platform available as a mobile app, making it convenient for on-the-go survey taking. It's user-friendly and pays you through PayPal. Life Points, shaping the future and earning. Life Points, which we consider the best money-making app on our list. It's a fantastic option for those looking to earn extra income. Life Points offer short surveys that allow you to shape new products and make money on the side. Sign up online or via the mobile app, complete surveys, earn points, and redeem them for gift cards or PayPal transfers. These are various opportunities to make money online, regardless of where you live. Explore these options, find the ones that suit you best, and start boosting your income today. Before we wrap up, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for sticking with us until the end of this video. Your time and attention mean the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of our community. If you found this information valuable and want to continue exploring ways to enhance your profitability, we invite you to subscribe to Profitability Plus. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest opportunities and strategies for boosting your income. Don't miss out on the chance to take your financial journey to the next level. Once again, thank you for being here. We appreciate you and we look forward to having you as part of our Profitability Plus family. Until next time, walk good and prosper.